So often people talk about how much they enjoy hosting parties, and I get lots of questions about, what do they need to do to host a great party? And I think one of the most important things is being able to be part of the party. You can't just be the caterer. That's what it comes down to. You have to be part of the party. The one thing that everyone dreads about a dinner party is, of course, the cleanup, and having an amazing dishwasher is a no-brainer when it comes to making this easier on yourself. Hi there, I am Chef Coleman, corporate chef for Sub-Zero, Wolf, and now Cove in New York City. The Cove brand did not come about quickly. We have been researching this for a long time to deliver just an amazing product. We have designed the Cove dishwasher to accommodate a lot of different lifestyles, a lot of different cooking styles. Our customers are looking for absolutely the best product, the highest quality. Is it beautiful? Is it going to last for 20 years? Is it going to be very easy to take care of? The Cove dishwasher is tested and designed to the same standards as Sub-Zero and Wolf. The dishwasher is going to get even the dirtiest dishes clean and dry. Not only is pre-rinsing not needed, it's not recommended. The more you clean and wash your dishes before you put them in, the more water you're using, the more effort you're using, that is all wasted. You do not need to do any of this. Well, the Cove dishwasher has a 4-stage filtration system on the bottom of the unit to make sure that you're only pumping clean water through the dishwasher and onto your dishes. And this makes a big difference. The dishwasher has also been engineered and designed to make sure that we're not just cleaning your dishes, but we're also going to be cleaning the inside of the machine. There are 4 cycles that we have identified as the ones that people are going to use the most. And we have put those as hard keys right on the control panel. Those cycles are auto, normal, heavy, and quick. But we have over 200 cycle combination options, and you can start to find some of these other setups by going into Cycles Plus. The heavy cycle for pots and pans and really kind of baked on situations, but we can also do something very delicate like taking care of crystal and china. The adjustability of the inside of a dishwasher, I think, is really important, and the moment you open this dishwasher, you know it's important because all of the adjusting points are green. You have 3 racks on the inside of this dishwasher. So the top rack in the Cove dishwasher is meant for silverware, and when you look at it, it actually makes sense. This is by far the best way to clean your silverware. You line them up side by side, there's a little space in between each of them. They're going to get cleaner, and they're not going to be jumbled together, they're not going to stick together. And that top rack has some adjustability. You can remove the right side or the left side or both sides, and that allows for some exceptionally tall stemware in the middle rack. So the adjustability of one rack can actually feed into the adjustability of another rack. In the middle rack, which we really suggest for cups and bowls and glasses, there is again a lot of adjustability. The tines move up and down. You can angle your glasses properly. And then they've even gone so far as to allow you to angle this basket. And so if you do want to put in taller stemware over here and cookie sheets over here, you can. The amount of thought that went into this is really amazing. You also have on the bottom rack another basket. It's really meant for larger utensils, serving utensils, maybe some cutlery. People are always asking about noise levels. Very quiet dishwasher. So when I'm putting together my plan for a dinner party, I definitely think about how many dishes am I going to have to clean? I don't want this on my mind while I'm having this party, and having a beautifully engineered and a beautifully designed dishwasher allows me just concentrate on these moments worth savoring and know that doing the dishes is easier than ever.